Welcome back. We're gonna have to fight over the sound of this music, but we're doing an unmolding on the spot because I'm at a market and we're doing a live painting, live artist here. So I'm gonna start with this. It's just a plain black joint. I'm gonna have to shave this part off. I wish I brought my scissors, but it's okay. I'll clean it up. But I actually like how this came out. Perfect. I have a few. I made this last night. If I can't hear anything, I'm probably gonna do a voiceover over this because this TV is right on top of me, like right above where you see that sign. The TV's right there on top of that. But yeah. Guys, I was right about the thing. I did miss like two little spots for the bubbles here. I don't know if you can see it right there and like on the corner here, but for the most part, I was obsessed. The white and gold schmirled right there, but I love this. It's so interesting though how you don't see any of the white on like the back part, but I'm okay with this because I wanted it to be like a marble-ish color. And I wanted it more down here, but I couldn't reach after I had put the gold. I jerked it, so it's my fault. But yeah, love it, love it. I didn't unmold it at home because I wanted this mold for today. This one, I believe, is the right way of most of can't draw her to save my life, but it's okay. It's okay. Yes, see? Yeah, see? Yeah. My hair looks a mess. Wow, that's my whole hair. Anyways, yes, here for this. And I also need this mold for something else. I want to take this out, but it looks like it wants to fight me. I'm here dripping resin on the people on the floor. I got my home. I don't care. I don't care. I asked for a lower chair, and I don't know. I should have set it up and still in the chair, but. Okay, this is Gorgina. Yo, this mold really had a lot of. This is gorgeous. I completely forgot I had black speckles in there, but I'm in love with this. I might make this an incense holder. It has like a little hole where, because the red was a what's it called? Some resin that was hardening on me, so I just dropped it on there. That's how the reddish got in there, but so that's why it's like a little bubble. But I'm gonna make this an incense holder. I'm gonna poke a hole right in the middle where that bubble is, and that's gonna be that. I'm obsessed with this. This looks so good. Let's make some take. Let's see if this will let me take it out without hurting myself. This is so pretty. Obsessed. Obsessed. But obsessed. Oh, so good. I love this, like the hints of all. This one, I've never used this mold before. Shout out to Kissy. This is actually just like a catch-all of resin. I just wanted to see how it would come out. It had like extra resin, so I was like, let me see. Never used the molds. All of these nails are like fire off. Oh my god. That is Gorgina. I'm obsessed. I need to figure out how to play with this and get it to do what I need it to do now. But this is so fucking good. Like, you see the hands? I need to figure out how to get it. I'm in love. I'm so in love with this. Hell yeah. Oh, this looks so good. This could actually be a doorknob. This could be a doorknob. I'm gonna figure something out with that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I hate the mold, but I love what it created. Oh my god. So that's that. And the last bit is a two-part that I'm playing with. Because I'm trying to see. Because we got our plate, and then we got the jean. We got like a little. I hate that it's like prickly, but I can throw this in the middle and make it incense. It'll just be like the essence of. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh. It works perfectly for this though. Okay. Let's figure something out. I got projects to work on. Anyways, I have all the fun things that need to be done. We gotta put you in it. So anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate. Thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.